Hi guys, welcome to rjfashionhaul. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, as usual, without wasting time, let's get started into the video. Before I get into the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video to your friends and family members. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'll provide my Instagram handle in the description box so you guys can easily grab it. Yeah, coming to today's video. Yeah, I forgot. This is my lip shade. And this is LA18 and this is most affordable lipstick, so I bought these in many shades. So in coming videos I'll try to keep a few LA18 lipsticks. Yeah, coming to this one, this shade is of course it's a matte lipstick, and it is it is P26 shade prawn pink. I bought these things from Trends and Pantaloons and Brand Factory. So in this video I'll show you all those things which I bought, and summer has already started. It's very hot in Hyderabad. So I bought few cotton kurtis from Trends, and everywhere new collection have been trending, and yeah, there is no offers right now. But I bought a few things, affordable for daily wear purpose. Stylish kurtis. Yeah, I'll show you one by one. This is the first one. This one I bought from Trends, and these are for daily purpose. So almost these three which I bought from Trends are from same range. That is the 499, and I bought this in XL size. And the brand is Avasa brand. It's a known brand to everyone. And yeah. And these are mandarin collar, and this material is rayon material, and it's very breathable. Yeah, this is a kurti. All these are striped kurtis, which I bought from Trends are striped kurtis. Yeah, and it has as usual 3/4 sleeves. Yeah, this is the front part, and the same as back. This is the first kurti. And I told that these 499, and I bought this in XL size. This is the length of the kurti, and these type of kurtis are very comfortable for summer, so I bought these type of kurtis. And coming to next one, this cotton kurti. I love the color of this one. It's nice peach color. And it has simple round neck, and there are buttons here on front part, and these are 3/4 sleeves. Yeah, this is the kurti, and it has side slits. Yeah, if you pair these kurtis with palazzo or striped pants, it gives an amazing look. Yeah, this is the one, and these also for 499, and these in a XL size, and these also brand called Avasa. Yeah, there is so much of new collection in every store. So yeah, these also similar to this one, but material has a difference. It is a thick material than this one, and these thin has simple round neck, and these are the buttons. Small tassel here, and 3/4 sleeves, and it has a small band on the end of the sleeves. Yeah, this is the kurti, and this is the back part. Yeah, and these three kurtis I bought from Trends, and each one for 499 rupees, and I bought this in XL size, and three of them are same brand called Avasa. That's it from Trends. And Brand Factory, recently I went to Brand Factory in Jubilee Hills. This is the first time I'm going to Jubilee Hills Jubilee Hills branch Brand Factory. There is flat 50% off, and when you buy above 2000, there is flat 20%, 50% plus extra 20%. So my husband bought few things for him, and I bought only 2 kurtis for myself. I'll show you. And this is Zatisa brand. It is also famous brand. And this is a nice pink color. These are 3/4 sleeves, and it has a small detailing on the end of the sleeves. 3/4 sleeves. And is a high and low hem kurti. And these are silk material. It's very soft and the falling type of material. I tried to insert pictures, and on the front part it has zipper part. Yeah, this is the zip. Yeah. I love the material a lot. It is a very nice material, and actual price of this one is 999, and on offer I got this around 370 or 380 rupees. Actually there is flat 50 and then extra 20% off. So I mean 20%. No, when you buy above 4,000 you will get 50 plus 30% discount. So I got this around 370 or 380 rupees. I love this one. And coming to the next one, these also I bought from a brand factory, and these are rayon material, and it has simple round neck, and it has a thread work here and small detailing, I mean tassels here. This thing, and it has 3/4 sleeves. And by the way, I forgot to tell the size of this one. This is XL size, sorry, double XL size. And this is the next one, and this rayon material. Yeah. And on back it's completely plain. The actual price of this one is oh my god, it's 1,999 rupees, and on offer I got this around 600 or 650 rupees. Yeah, it's a brand called Iftara. I don't know the brand. And I bought this in XL size. Yeah, this one also when I wore this one, it was very good on me, so I bought this one. Yeah, these two I bought from brand factory, and I bought a few palazzos from pantaloons. These are I bought, I think 1 month back, I think so. Not 1 month, 15 to 20 days back. And there is an offer on pantaloons. It's for just 199 rupees. In that section, I bought 3 palazzos. And I got extra offer. When you buy 2 palazzos for 199 rupees, and you'll get extra 1 more palazzo. So I bought 3 palazzos. These 3 palazzos, and each one for 199 rupees. And I got when I purchased these 2 palazzos, I got this free. Yeah, these rayon material, palazzo. It has a decent flare. Yeah, it's a cream color palazzo, and I bought this in small or medium. I don't know whether you guys are. Yeah, this one. And this one I bought in L or XL size. That is rayon material, and this is somewhat falling type of material. I exactly don't know the fabric name. And this is the flare of the palazzo, and this is the length of the palazzo, and it has elastic band. Yeah, and it has adjustable threads as well. Adjustable threads, yeah. These are adjustable threads. Yeah, this one, and this is the third one. This is a nice orange color palazzo, and it has, even this one has adjustable threads, and there is elastic part, and this is the flare of the palazzo. Yeah, these 2 I bought, these 3 I bought from pantaloons, each one for 199 rupees. Yeah. And I bought this shawl from Central. Yeah, such a nice color. I want to buy these type of shawls from a long time, but I got this recently from Central. Yeah, I think there is no offer on this product. The MRP of this one is 699 rupees. Yeah, in Trends I bought these pants. I don't know. These are not jean pants. These are of something different kind. And it has a high waist pants. Yeah, I love this color a lot. Yeah, this one it has zippers on front part. Yeah, and these are ankle length pants. And these are stretchable too. Stretchable. And these pants actually from 999, but we got an offer, so I think we got this for 100 rupees or so. Yeah, and I bought another one, and these also for stretchable pants. Yeah, and it has 3 buttons, gold color buttons. These are ankle length. And it has small detailing here. And this is the waist part. And this one is also for 999. Yeah, this one also for 999. Yeah, these two also I bought from Trends. And I forgot to tell you the size. This one is for XL size, and this one also in XL size. Yeah, both in XL size. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll definitely enjoy this video. Keep smiling, stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video.